Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, after you get done watching this video, if you would consider subscribing, we'd appreciate it.
Yep, this video is us in Porthmadog in Wales. We're in a campground right on the ocean, and we get to go see a steam train, ride a steam train.
Yeah, it was a good time. We got first class seats because we're posh.
Very posh.
And we were parked like right up on the beach. You can see that here.
Yes.
Wales has been really neat. The beaches in Wales are really cool.
Yeah, I'm getting to use my my, what do we call it?
It's a dry robe.
Dry robe, wet robe. Dry robe. My
robe.
cool dry robe that we bought in Ireland. I've been able to use it here too.
Yeah, it's, and we've been, I mean, this video is going to be like, this was a week ago when we were editing it and going back and looking at it, and it was like, it was really nice there.
Mm-hmm.
We enjoyed it.
Yeah, we were there last year also. This is one of the places that we returned to because we liked it so much.
Yeah, the same campground.
Mm-hmm.
Funny story about the campground, they closed the doors at 8 o'clock, and you can just see the gate a little bit off to the right in this picture, but you can see they let people drive onto the beach, but only until 8 o'clock, and then they locked the gates. Well,
there were people stuck on the beach.
Yeah, they were banging on the gate and
Mm-hmm.
actually hooked their car up to it and tried to drive away with it.
Making all kinds of noise, and we're sitting in our camper watching it all.
Yeah, thinking, well, should we intervene? But it was better that we didn't. So after a couple of days of the beach, it was time to head back on the road through Wales. This is not how all the roads in Wales are.
No,
it's
this
just
isn't
how some
typical.
Of the country lanes are.
Yep.
And there's actual highways and modern infrastructure and roundabouts and all that, but these roads are much more interesting.
Yeah, the country roads are more beautiful. You get to see, you know, the farmers and everybody in the little tiny towns. They're really,
when there's a gap in the hedgerow.
Mm-hmm. It's a very nice way to travel as long as you're not in a rush and you want to just see the scenery.
Yeah. So, yeah, these roads are good. The ones that are 60 miles an hour that are just a little bit wider than these are a little scarier, but I don't think anybody really goes 60.
So,
when you're on these little roads, there's stuff like just on the side of the road that pops up.
And you can stop and appreciate it. This was a shale going every which way. It was really something to see. From a geology, I don't know. It's kind of geeky of me.
Yeah, you're a scientist.
But I love the different rocks that are around.
Yeah, and there's nobody on the road, so you can stop.
Yep. And here, the road ends up on a street.
Yeah, back in civilization. So that's kind of how the roads look.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to just kind of bow out here and let you guys watch. And again, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're still in Europe for a little bit before we head back to America.
Yep, so enjoy Wales. We certainly did. It's beautiful.
Mai wedi amser te, fe ddaeth o da i'w codro gan frewdi dros y lle. Wmlan, wmlan.
It is.
Oh, well, here we are
Yep.
on the train
Uh-huh.
in Wales.
Yes.
It's a fancy train.
Porthmadog.
Yeah.
Fancy station.
Couldn't fault anybody. Top class.
Kind of the book.
Here, look.
Oh, that's the train room.
Yep.
Because we're a wee bit late, we didn't get to see the engine. Hopefully we'll see that soon.
We'll see it on the
Okay,
stop.
and then you need to arrange.
Yeah, because we were supposed to be here at 10:40 and we arrived at 10:30 because we had to be here at 10:40.
Briefly, I saw him.
We were almost 10
up at
minutes
Wentworth,
early. Almost.
I can't remember whether it's Thursday afternoon. So what's your machine? Are you recording it out the window?
Everything you say.
Oh, right.
So be careful.
I will.
Yeah, it's actually it's
You have to say you were sat next to 3 or 4 idiots.
there's that's the lens
There you go.
right there. So if that's not looking at you, it's not looking at you.
Now it's looking at me.
Now it's looking at you. And then
How long will it record for?
now it's looking at me.
Last
7 hours.
Oh, wow.
Good.
As long as you keep the battery up, there's 7 hours on it. But we are not going to look at 7 hours.
We're going.
Whether you want to or not.
Yep.
It's like a roller coaster.
I'm excited. Oh, and waving.
You have to get the proper. We're in first class.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. We're in the posh.
Oh, you made the train. It left on time.
Train guys are fun. They're all waving. There's a swan. Two swans.
Hello there, can I see your tickets, please? That's great, thank you very much. 2 there you go, you found the seats, that's good. Great, lovely, enjoy. Hello there.
Right, so it goes on like this for 3 hours. I don't think we're going to bore you too much with the details.
No.
I'll give you a little bit when we get to the end.
No. Graveyard.
You notice the stones are all the same.
Yeah.
It's like Georgia.
Oh, the same brick.
Same
Yeah,
stone.
same stone. Except it's black here.
I'm going to enjoy the train ride. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can feel the heat.
No, we tried. We're traveling here and there. But we already have plans on visiting. It's sweet.
She sounds like she knows what she's talking about. You got trouble over there. There we go.
Oh, look at There's layers upon layers here. Horrible. We'll share first.
P-O-S-H, posh.
That's us.
So where are you going next?
Conway. C-O-N-W-Y.
That's in Wales. Conway.
Conway.
Yeah.
Conway. Conway.
Thank you. Didn't know how to say that one. So.
So we've stopped for a moment.
There's a zinc mine here too.
Beth has informed me that there's a zinc mine here. I'm sure we're all concerned about that. In case you need any zinc.
Yeah, here.
Hang on. Where's the zinc mine?
There,
Look at that.
right there. Maybe right there. Your hole in the wall.
Could be the hole in the wall. Could be the zinc mine.
Our engineer has a black face.
Hey, wait a minute. That's the same guy at the other place. Are we back in Hershey, Pennsylvania?
I'm enjoying the map.
Good.
You know me and maps.
Yep.
Hi.
Hey, so we made it to the station.
Yep.
We were all the way in the back there. Now we're going to go up and take a look at the engine. Oh, that's a double boiler. We didn't get to look at it before. But there she is. That's unusual. What do you think of the engine?
It's cool. It's very black,
Yeah.
you know? Not used to that.
It's amazing. That's all slate. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Come up here and take a look at the mountain when you're done. Roof burns out of the buffet car.
Oof.
So even the guy who's running the train is taking a picture of the train.
Yeah, that's pretty special, huh?
Yeah. So, and you want a selfie, huh?
Everywhere there's very good dogs.
Mm-hmm.
O maritalsor har mai hen och nosson brav A voi di masi gret och jag mig från någon tag
Quite warm in here, isn't it?
It's a bit.
Sitting or
Feels good.
Well, might as well sit. Well, I am, if you want to go out.
So on the way back, oh, this is lunch.
Yeah, mine's better.
What's left of it? On the way back,
did you pre-order
we'll
food?
be
Then?
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now these two folks, you've seen them in the video sitting across from us, both very nice people.
Yeah, they were from Nottingham.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and very patient with the Americans, which was really nice. Some of the buildings were really close. That's somebody's living room right there. But it
Waterfalls?
it made the scenery closer too.
Yep.
We really enjoyed it. When we got back to Porthmadog, we just jumped in the camper and went back to the campground. So
Yeah. It was a great train ride.
yeah, we really enjoyed it. And so that's gonna probably wrap it up for this video.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and we've really been enjoying putting these together. And as you can tell in this one, it was a little spooky, but it was fun. All right. Well, if you like that kind of stuff, give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments. And either way. And
We'll see you up and down the road.